Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can import bookmarks into the Avast web browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, if you just installed the Avast web browser and you'd like to, let's say, transfer these bookmarks from other browsers like Google Chrome, Edge, and so on and so forth, you can do that without, you don't need to sign into any profile here on Avast. What you need to do instead is navigate to your account settings, right? So to do that, or browser settings, sorry, click into these three dots in the top right, and then select settings. After that, click into Me and Avast here on the left hand side. And here you will see this option, import bookmarks and settings. Click into it. And then choose the browser from your device, right? So maybe Mozilla, Opera, Edge, Brave, Google Chrome. And then choose the items you'd like to import, including your browsing history, saved password, autofill data, cookies, and of course also the bookmarks. So select or unselect the one you'd like to import, click into import, and after that you will see the data or the bookmarks listed here at the top, provided of course you have the bookmark bar enabled. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.